I'm going to show you exactly how to connect TikTok to Facebook, step by step, directly inside the app. But before we start, if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe to App Tutor for more similar videos like this one. The first step is to open our TikTok profile on either our iPhone or our Android phone, whichever one we're using. Now the next step is to copy our TikTok username, and you can easily do this by tapping once on it. And I'll get this message that my username is copied. We can now exit the TikTok app and open Facebook, navigate over to your Facebook profile page, and then you'll want to follow my steps carefully. The first thing to do is to click on Edit Profile, which will now open our profile editor where we can change a lot of different things related to our Facebook account. After this, you're going to scroll all the way down towards the bottom of the page, and then you're going to see the Links section. Tap this Add button at the right side, and then Add New Link. Since we want to connect the TikTok link, simply select that, and then paste your username which we had copied at the beginning of this video. Save your changes, and that's pretty much it. When someone opens your Facebook profile, they will be able to see and click on your TikTok profile link. That will open your TikTok profile on either in a web browser or in the TikTok app itself.